What's up, everyone? I'm SM, and today we're tackling a big question. Where should you buy a house in the US in 2025? The market's been wild, but with the right data and strategy, you can make a smart move. We're breaking down the top states to buy in, based on affordability, growth potential, and quality of life. Whether you're a first-time buyer, investor, or just curious, this is your 2025 real estate roadmap. We'll look at the numbers, trends, and what makes each state stand out. So, grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Let's get started. First up, Texas. No surprise here, Texas is booming. Major companies are flocking to cities like Austin, Dallas, and Houston, bringing high-paying jobs and fueling demand. The big draw, no state income tax. That's thousands back in your pocket every year. Even with rising prices in Austin, you'll find affordable homes in cities like San Antonio and Fort Worth. The median home price is still below the national average, making homeownership realistic for many. Explosive job growth in tech, manufacturing, and energy is driving the market. Companies like Tesla and Samsung are investing billions, creating career opportunities and housing demand. Combine no income tax, affordability, and job growth, and Texas is a top contender for 2025. Just be strategic about where you buy. Some areas are hotter than others. Texas is built for growth, and the potential is undeniable. Next, Florida. It's not just for retirees anymore. Florida's population is booming, thanks to no state income tax and a lifestyle that's hard to beat. Remote work has brought high-paying jobs to cities like Miami, Tampa, and Orlando. The real estate market is diverse. Luxury condos, family homes, and vacation rentals all see strong demand. Year-round sunshine and beaches make for a high quality of life, keeping demand steady. The rental market is hot, with low vacancy rates and strong cash flow for investors. Be mindful of rising homeowners insurance due to hurricanes, but overall, the financial picture is strong. Florida's growth isn't a fad, it's a long-term trend. Do your homework on insurance and flood zones, and you'll find great opportunities. For 2025, Florida remains one of the most desirable states to buy in. Now, North Carolina, a state that's quietly become a top destination. The Research Triangle, Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, is a tech and biotech magnet, while Charlotte is a banking powerhouse. Despite economic growth, housing remains affordable compared to other tech hubs. You get career opportunities and a great lifestyle, mountains, beaches, and vibrant cities. World-class universities, healthcare, and a mild climate add to the appeal. North Carolina offers a sweet spot, strong jobs, reasonable prices, and quality of life. The state is investing in infrastructure and education, setting up for future growth. For buyers seeking balance, North Carolina is a smart 2025 pick. Heading west, Tennessee is on the rise. No state income tax on wages makes it a magnet for talent and businesses. Nashville is booming with tech, healthcare, and music, while cities like Knoxville and Chattanooga offer affordable alternatives. Home prices are still reasonable, especially outside Nashville's core. The culture is vibrant, music, food, and friendly communities, plus stunning natural beauty. Your money goes further here, with a high quality of life and access to the Smoky Mountains. Tennessee's growth is self-reinforcing, attracting both companies and individuals. For 2025, it's a state with momentum and opportunity. Out west, Arizona has transformed into a tech and manufacturing hub, especially around Phoenix. Major investments from Intel and TSMC are creating thousands of high-paying jobs. Housing is still affordable compared to California, drawing in new residents. Cities like Mesa and Chandler offer great value and growth. Over 300 days of sunshine a year make for an unbeatable outdoor lifestyle. Water security is a concern, but Arizona leads in water management innovation. The influx of jobs and people is driving property values up. Arizona is a red-hot market for 2025 buyers seeking growth and lifestyle. Georgia, and especially Atlanta, is an economic powerhouse with a diverse job market. Major companies, a booming tech scene, and the film industry fuel stability and growth. Atlanta remains affordable compared to other big cities, and suburbs like Savannah offer even better value. The state's quality of life is high, cosmopolitan cities, historic charm, and warm weather. Georgia attracts everyone from young professionals to retirees, creating a stable housing market. Industries like tech and film are expanding, supporting long-term appreciation. Georgia is growing fast but hasn't priced out buyers yet. For 2025, it's a smart, solid bet for home buyers. Finally, Ohio, a different kind of opportunity. It's all about stability, affordability, and a quiet economic resurgence. Median home prices are far below the national average, making home ownership accessible. The new Intel chip plant near Columbus is a game-changer, bringing thousands of jobs. Ohio's economy is diverse. Manufacturing, healthcare, education, and cities like Columbus and Cincinnati are revitalizing. You get 4 seasons, good schools, and a family-friendly lifestyle at a low cost. For those tired of high-cost coastal living, Ohio is a practical, appealing alternative. In uncertain times, Ohio's fundamentals make it a low-risk, smart buy. That's your 2025 real estate roadmap. 7 states, each with unique advantages. The common thread? Strong job growth, affordability, and quality of life. Even in a tough market, there are always opportunities if you dig into the data. Your perfect state depends on your priorities: career, lifestyle, family, or investment. Let me know your thoughts and top picks in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate insights. Thanks for watching. See you.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel. And subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel. And subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.